Okay, so hi Anubhav. This is really good news that you want to get on board, and let's see how it goes. I really think that you got this, man. We already discussed the project before, and without wasting any time, let me start and jump into the project. So let me show you what I'm going to send you, all the files which I am sharing with you. Right? Hope you can see my screen now. So this is a folder. Right now I'm using a Windows OS, which is like most common you can use. So I'm sharing, this is the file which I'm going to share with you, data files for Parley Poppins game project. I'm going to open that. It has three folders. One is app demo, one is graphic design, one is screenshots and gameplays. So most of the things you have to do with this folder. Okay, there's an app demo as well, in which you can, like, there are apk file and aab file. This aab file need to be converted into apk, and then it can be installed into your preferable android device, right? So, and this is with the ads also working on it, right? So yeah, this is for your like reference. You can see how the game goes, and if you are finding any difficulty in downloading those games, so what you can do, you can have a look at screenshots and gameplays. So here are a few screenshot and gameplays which I can show you over here somewhere. Like, let me open this. So here are the gameplays. This is how game looks like, right? Right now it is named as color shooter. When you click on it, it changes the color with that multicolor rainbow ball. Now you have to choose the exact same color ball to move up, right? And with each level you gain 1 point. What we'll do, these are the simple round balls, right? What we can do, we can like give them a little more texture to look like, we can give them more texture to look like a Poppins candy, right? So maybe that will be like more. And how about that Poppin candy keeps moving uh, while rotating itself? Maybe like we can think of it. But as of now, like, let's do something, because it's just like basic round balls, and we can think of something on that. Yeah. Okay. Coming back to this, we have some screenshots. That's how it looks like. So why I'm showing you this, because this can help you to know which part of this is what when you get into sprites. Like, you can see these spikes, these are like what do you call, obstructions in your way, right? Obstacles. These are obstacles which you have to avoid to touch with your ball, right? Otherwise you have to start over. So these can be improved. Like, these are like very basic. You can like add some texture to that, right? And these balls, these things, right? Maybe we can add some advertisement on them or something like that, right? Just think of it, whatever can be done. Yeah. And so now I tell you, now quickly let me tell you that how you're going to do it, right? This is what we are going to do. We're going to change the textures, we're going to we can like modify the sounds and everything. But how are you going to do it? So let me show you that again now. Moving on to this thing. So here are all the screenshots and all I've shown you, right? This is the thing, graphic design. Here you get this folder named atlases. Here I've created three more folders, like crop, data, and merged, right? So in data, nothing much I will put. I'll just put this thing. This thing looks like this, right? It has all those graphics used in the game in one single png image file, right? Those obstacles, if you were looking, they were nothing but this thing. Like, if you add texture to it, it will show up in the game when I upload it. We can change the logo here. We can change this, how it is written. So all of this will come out like small png image files. How it's going to happen, let me show you how it's going to happen. I have a software to do that. So it's a basic thing. So I'll open the plist file, which is somewhere in the documents here. Here, graphic design atlas. It's not showing here. uh, I guess it is what it is, right? Yeah. So this is the plist file. I'm going to open that. Open crop out folder. So I'm now going to open crop out folder, which we have named over here. This is the crop. I've selected that. Open the merge folder. So in the documents, same thing. Here we have merged. Okay. And also in this data thing, I'm going to put this thing, dragging it to data. Okay. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? We're just gonna crop it. Okay. Now it said it is cropped. So let's check out this crop folder. But folder is empty. Mm, yeah, it's empty. Let's try it one more time. We have this thing. Okay. Oh, so let's wait. Let me see. Let me put it back. Okay. So it says it is done, but we have to. But is it saving there? Let me check. Data is not there. Much. Ah, we got a file in the merged. What it is? There is nothing. Yeah, let's do that one more time. Okay, I'm going to put this plist file. Open crop out folder. Open merge folder. Okay. Now it should save itself in. Now it happened. Okay, now it happened. So now what happened? Now you check out the crop folder. Now you have all of them separated as small image files, right? Now you can see. So if you want to change anything, you can just simply edit it, replace it in the same folder with the same name. All right. So here you can make a new folder or something.